Good morning to the admissions staff at San Diego State University. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. My name is Melanie Gray, and I'm really excited to be applying to the SDSU Marriage and Family Therapy program. Before diving into the questions, I'd like to share a little bit about myself. I recently graduated from the University of California, Riverside with a major in psychology and a minor in education. During my undergraduate studies, I worked as a research assistant, a behavioral interventionist, and I volunteered for the Students with Disabilities Resource Center. I also worked as an operational manager for the university athletic department. My personal story is rich with cultural experiences, self-determination, and resilience. As a daughter of immigrants and as a minority, I intimately understand the dilemma between fulfilling cultural expectations while pursuing personal goals. As a student with a learning disability, I have overcome many obstacles in my life. I consider myself an advocate for minority groups, and I have a strong commitment to social justice and equity for all. I believe that the psychological well-being of each individual is paramount in the overall health of any society. Many social emotional problems, including social injustices, violence, and general acts of abuse, could be prevented and/or mitigated through adequate and culturally relevant psychological services. Being Latina, I have gained a unique perspective on how negatively psychological disorders and mental health issues are perceived and handled in the Latinx community. Due to lack of access to proper mental health services, among other factors, many minority groups have suffered in silence with their mental health conditions. I am most passionate about changing the perception of mental health problems within the Latinx community. As a future therapist, I would like to take a multidimensional approach to counseling. I want to take into account an individual's cultural background, gender identity, religion, and any other social economic factors that affected their upbringing. I will use these tools to properly identify and address any psychological issues or problem my clients are facing. In addition, as a future therapist, I want to be the catalyst for change in my Latinx community. I want to assist and empower my clients to achieve their personal goals by providing and implementing evidence-based therapeutic practices, cultivating healthy habits, and improving their self-esteem and confidence. My motivation is to influence and transform people's lives by improving and enhancing their emotional and psychological well-being. I believe that the faculty and coursework of this program will help me develop the tools and framework needed to optimize my ability to transform my client's emotional health. More specifically, I'm looking forward to taking the multicultural dimensions in counseling class. I'm hoping that it will enhance my knowledge about the proper cultural responsiveness, culturally relevant therapeutic practices, and most importantly, the effective strategies to help culturally diverse clients. I'm also hoping that the marriage and family therapy theories and best practices classes will help me gain the skills and therapeutic practices to assist my clients with their undergoing psychological issues and help them find their own path to self-empowerment. Throughout this program, I also want to develop the ethics and principles that will guide my future practice. I believe that my biggest contributions are my empathy, knowledge, and the experience I've learned while working in the mental health field. Having a learning disability has really prepared me to become an empathetic mental health professional. I intimately understand the fear of being labeled different or slow and the paralyzing distress of being vulnerable and asking for help. As a mental health professional, I will use my empathy and advocacy to assist and guide my clients. Also, as a behavioral interventionist for children and adults diagnosed with autism, I have experience using multiple strategies tailored to each individual's needs. I worked one-on-one with my clients and used several intervention plans to develop appropriate communication skills, social skills, and adaptive skills for independent daily living and community integration. I have also used evidence-based strategies for emotion regulation and to help reduce self-destructive behaviors. Also, I volunteered as a peer mentor for the Students with Disabilities Center at the University of California, Riverside. As a peer mentor, I provided personal, academic, and peer support to multiple students with disabilities each quarter for 3 years. In addition, I have also worked at a research lab. I worked at the Personality and Identity Lab at UCR in the psychology department. Working at PALE taught me to navigate the world of research and data analysis. I acquired the skills and techniques needed to collect, transcribe, and code data for multiple experiments. Additionally, I developed the capacity to interpret experimental data statistics and subsequently to compose scientifically proven research papers. My past employment and volunteer experiences have given me a strong foundation in crisis management, suicide prevention, and cognitive behavioral therapy. Also, I am bilingual in English and Spanish, so I can serve a larger population of minority groups. As a future marriage and family therapist, I want to use my experience, empathy, charisma, dedication, and resourcefulness to help my clients achieve their personal and emotional goals. My ultimate goal is to reduce the stigma of mental health orders in the Latinx community by promoting mental health awareness, providing resources to underrepresented communities, celebrating their uniqueness and diversity, and promoting self-empowerment. Thank you for considering my application. I really think I'd be a great fit for this program, and I really hope I can be part of the next upcoming cohort. Thank you. Have a good day.